of them in the bushes. Left side. This way, this way. Okay. They're in the open. Just lay some fire down in those bushes, corner of the road.
Are they directly west?
I heard one hit.
I'm shooting at question marks, basically.
Get up.
Okay, the one that kept fucking shooting me, man, is somewhere to like your 11 o'clock now.
He's got like the fucking perfect spot, obviously.
Man, it's like, and he just hit me in the top of the forehead every time.